Leah called me because she knows she don't want a friend from me. What could have caused this? Hello?
One question I want to ask you. 2 days now, I don't see Javina. You don't see him?
No. I'm not here for him for about 2 days now.
From me did call the boy and tell him to she played him before mommy come and somebody did come to me and ask me about him. So, 2 days now, I don't see Javi, so I wonder if him done there because I know he and him move and stuff. So that's what I call to find out. Because the boy didn't even text or call. Nobody, I call him phone off, voicemail.
So you call the police?
I want Rasta youth come link me and ask me for me now from him. Ask me for him and I think say Javi done a yard, you know. I don't see Javi from this, so, you know.
I know you're mad, you know.
I don't understand how I go on.
Why am I first a call?
The Rasta youth say, you send him to come look for Javi. So I want him.
Your brother missed you for 2 days. Right? And I'm me first a call. Before you go to the police station and you call the police. And my phone you ring off. But does me alright, me come here, just wait for me yard gate. I'm coming.
Alright, me I wait for you. Me sit on the right for my step. Me I wait.
Alright. This a girl not what they call him since.
Brother normally do them things you left for 2 days and call him and get him.
Stupid door the man chop.
Where you going?
Auntie, me not talking. Me hear one news, me need to go. Later me come out tell you.
But wait. Stand up and talk to me. I'm your aunt.
Auntie, me in a hurry. Me hear a bad news. Me can't. Auntie, me can't talk right
But
now.
what is
me
this?
Cannot
You're
talk right now.
frightening me. What is it? Calm down. I'm your auntie. Calm down and tell me what is happening. Anything happened to you, I'm supposed to know. I'm the one that is responsible for you.
Auntie, you know Javi?
Yes.
Okay, me hear say missing. Me sister just come say she can't find him for 2 days now. Me not. When me come back, me tell her.
So what you going to do about it? Are you the police? What can you do about it?
Auntie, me can't talk right now. Me hear the bad news that me have to rush. Just allow me to go in Jesus' name, please. Me can't take that.
All right. Go on and find out some information and call me.
All right, thank you.
Lord have mercy. She want to give me a heart attack, you know? My God.
Oh, boy. What else you going now? Because I don't understand.
My brother missing for 2 days and I'm not Javi that. I'm not Javi that.
So why you attack me?
Because every minute are you all out Javi out of the yard.
Me and Javi are good friend. Yeah? Listen, wait, hold on. Me and Javi are good friend. We are best friends. Me not see Javi for 2 days from him come up on my yard and him getting a little conflict.
Are you full of best friends, so? Hear what me I say? A Rasta man in favor of Pinocchio. He come, me the under the so. Because me did I look up in a mango tree if you say if me see no right mango, me sit down. And the man come and ask me if me know if me live come from around here. I said yes. Ask me if me know nobody named Javi. Me say yes, I'm a brother. The man tell me say you send him to come look for Javi.
Did him call me name?
Listen what me I say, no, man.
Alright, me a listen.
So me tell him say Javi done a yard a wash plate. Him say alright.
Wait, you know say you're idiot though. I want me to tell you why you're idiot. Because you don't know the person and you direct the person to your brother.
Listen what me say no man.
You need to use a senses.
Use my sense. The man come to me. You say if you didn't have my shoes, I say, oh, you know Javi in long time and all the man attack. I say, oh, Javi done a yard. From there, so I don't see Javi. I call Javi phone, voicemail. So tell me what go on.
You decide to call down my phone. Why you never go to the police? Me look like the police?
I learn a joke thing. Because guess what? Before Javi missed the last piece, when Javi did that done a yard. So when me go a police station now and give them information, a few yard them a come because Javi was last seen down there. So what happened to Javi?
So what you try to say? Me kidnap Javi?
What happened to him?
How me supposed to know?
Are your best friend if you know everything?
Javi not tell me everything. We are best friends, yes, but him not tell me everything.
Ah, that you say.
A matter of fact, you see a man call me on my phone and tell me say you call Javi and tell Javi if you wash up plate and one man come and this a hello, do not mix me. You mix up, you know? You know what
Oh, me a mix up. Look, listen to what me I say now. I don't hear ya. Javi always catch up. I call Javi to come wash the plate. Then when mommy tell him to wash before the woman come from market.
Javi come up on my yard in the early morning. I left back boat in the day. From Javi left back in the day, I not hear from Javi none time. I don't know if he return yard, or if he gone a bar, or if he gone a club. I do not know something. No, why you come attack me for your brother? Why on earth this would have set up my best friend? Me and my friend from where I go to school. You think me would have set him up? What kind of style that, brother?
So, me and Yawa, me and your best friend too.
You know this one me what here? I said me and your friend. You know this one me?
Listen to me. My brother here are your best friend, right? You think my brother is the best friend thing with you?
What you mean?
My brother like you off. You feel like when he come down to come play a cat pack, you feel like my brother love cat pack and in a cat pack?
So what you try to say?
What me I try to say, you don't understand what me I try to say?
No, you have to explain to me. Come here,
the man love you, like you.
Hold on, what?
You have the man that left in yard every day if you come down to come play a cat pack. The man don't want to play no cat pack because Javi don't like cat pack.
So if Javi like me, why him never just say so? Hold on, then Javi never tell me say have a woman.
Which woman? Which woman Javi have?
I mean, you ask?
And most me and woman and mommy. Where Javi forget woman from?
Javi look for me and tell me say him not jealous because he have a woman. Why he would have jealous when he have a woman? And that he look for me where and tell me when he invite me so-called Rasta man, I you never meet me Rasta man yet. Or you know say ugly. You see you is a mixed up piece of something. You're too mixed up. That's why me and you can't be best friends, you know. Awa, me say it, awa. Yes, we are not best friends. Me prefer Javi over you because he have more sense than you.
You hear yourself?
Of course, I hear myself.
You hear yourself? One night stand? Or that relationship going on?
You know worry yourself about that, you know. My relationship quite fine. It's going on great, a matter of fact. A matter of fact, me never come up with yourself in our relationship talk right now. Me come up with yourself to talk about Javi. And Javi me come up with yourself to talk about. Where your brother there?
As a matter of fact, come out of me yard too. Me don't want to see you back in my yard. Me don't want to see you.
I'm gonna have to come back, you know. Me only come down here so because of Javi. No, because of you. Because you're this one year already. So me and no friend.
Me a
matter of fact, bye.
Me a go police station go report you and me a tell him say you have something to deal with my brother. Listening.
Yes, go on. Because I do not care.
but walk at the far place, you know. Tired. Come here and sweat. Francesca!
Sister! Oh my God, sister.
What's going?
Sister, I'm so happy to see you.
Me too, but I let me come out, you know, right now. I'm lending me some money because me this. I owe too much bills.
All right, don't worry about that yet. I have better things than that, to tell you.
How I know?
You know, so I don't know what happened to Mitzi.
To me, Wara? Mitzi.
You look like her skin dey on fire. I don't know what happened to her. You know, so Mitzi have man. Big man at that too, you know. She carry him, come here, come introduce to me. The man is so old, could have been father. I couldn't believe it. I nearly dropped down.
I lie.
God, no.
Say, Wara?
You know, remember when I call you and tell you?
But, to me, this so busy, me and yourself on front on the beach. Me need to pay no mind. I really that you did say to me?
Yes.
Lord have mercy.
I want to move out with him too.
So the
she want to live with him, pack up bag, want to go away with him.
God. I don't know what happened to them young people, you know. So true, Mixie reach 18, she feels that she must take any man at any time. In anywhere like your house, because she bigger than mine. She can't take no man of my yard, you know. A one room you live in with the one man. You understand? And me no want she pay for me, that's why I send her up here to you, because you have this big old apartment, can give her one woman. She up here carrying all kind of man.
She out to mad me.
What you say, man?
She's not listening to me none at all, I say.
I'm in the area because you see, on the cell front party did that deaf me. But now me hear what you say, I get the full understanding that my daughter having
she all
man.
want to fight me up because of the boy, you know.
Fight?
The big old man we could have be her father.
I'm not telling no lie, you know, my sister. You see, any run her out, she not know where to go because me not have no space. And you have all the space. You know, see, you're big and plenty. That's why I send her up there, because you have more than space. And she come up here and take you for granted. And they take this thing as advantage. Eh? Man, we can't be her papa way so till me see her. So where she there?
You know, say to them meanwhile me I come in, she a walk out.
Where she
see
gone?
one her friend missing. What's her name, Javier or something like that.
And you
so she
believe
can
it?
go and check.
You believe the liar girl?
Why?
I'm my daughter, but I your niece and I
You tell her
she
say
live with.
when she find out the information, she will call me right away.
And you trust her. And what a pill she give you to take? You did use any water to take it or you just swallow it dry so? You're fuller than Mixie. You
No.
make them a young people you nowadays, them brain come like a computer.
No, man. Javi missing for real because it's not she alone me here with it.
Oh, somebody missing. Okay.
Yes. So
So
that's
me-
why I even allow her to go and find out what's going on so I can know.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So me not watching news. That me did I go tell you. Me not watching news.
And I am so concerned about that little boy.
Oh,
He's our
God.
closest friend here, you know.
Close.
Mm-hmm. She and him go to school together. You're in the same class.
Me not in the close thing with she, because if she they keep man, you know, so she can't go to the point where she tell a lie, say them are just close friend. You know a close friend brings sometime, baby. When last you check up on her?
But that little boy is a decent little boy. He don't have those intentions in his head.
Sis, let me tell you something. You see them young children here, me not put my mouth on them, you know, but they're smart.
I know, but she don't want no little boy her age. I tell you what she wants. She want a big man. If you see the man, you would drop down. The man look old enough to be
No man can make me drop down.
The man look
I mean,
old
make
enough
them
to
drop
be her
down.
father.
Them have something for drop down, not me. I always keep standing, don't do it.
I'm telling you.
Eh.
You won't
So,
believe when you
anyway.
see the man. You're going to see him. You will see him. You will buck him up.
Hopefully, if you're not dead before me buck him up, because Mitzi at 18 and she's not mature. What she do with man, we can be her
That
dirty
is
pooper.
exactly what I said to her. And you know such a try to drape me? Yes.
So what you do about that, sis?
I have to drape her up and shake her up, you know. And let you know that I am her bigger aunt. And she must have manners and respect.
You sound like you're the ramp with Mitzi. Because Mitzi could never ever put her hand on my stomach or anywhere part on me in my chest, my hand, no way. Even though she at 18, she's a child. She not mature. Anytime you turn big man and big woman, you're on your own.
You know why I
As somebody
didn't
she
give her
live
a fine ass in? I don't want to go to prison for her.
And I'm not if you go to prison, sis. We can't bail you. Liquor in our clot, I will bail you. Anyway, one next time, when my mind tell me or when me phone you, I'll see if she there and me come back up here. If you're not there, so but me will come back and
I don't want you to leave before she come.
A lie.
She soon come. Call her on the phone.
Me not call her. Me not have no phone. Me not have no phone. Me did tell her that my phone broke up one long time before she come up here and leave. So me no want she know say me have no phone and me no want she know say me there. And she not go come home. You idiot. You know say girl smart. If she can be 18 and the with man we are 30 at the year old, we can be her papa. What she want do? Use your head. Use this. Use this.
Alright. I'm gonna let you catch her off guard. Let's go inside and have a drink and talk sister to sister. So that I can get to fully give you the full understanding of what is going on.
You know, say I really makes me did come to see and talk to her and go about my business. If you notice, look, I have a date and it's very important. I don't have time for wasting, but I kind of feel thirsty. You know, so I don't really want to come. I think some woolly things in my head.
Come,
you
because probably the next 5 minutes or so
you could have called me.
I want you to see her.
You say you could have called me, and if you don't have any credit, just send me a please call me. Like how you insist. Come on, come in. I like how your face look like say your vex.
Yeah, man, because we have something for going on. A long time we don't see each other, so we could go have a drink.
Where your name up here so make you look so big like that? Your name chicken.
It's stress is because your daughter's stressing me out.
Oh man, that look like your name son chicken. Hug up here. Stress.
Man, it's stress, man. It's stress. You know, so stress make you gain weight.
You know when you gone in your left breast master.
Hello, B. Please tell me say you're there, your yard. Been there right at the gate to walk in.
Yeah, man, I'm home. Alright, yeah, come. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, mom, there wait for you. No, so we meet. We are come like. Come now. Hug me up. You forget that hug then? Come stand up. You feel kind of lazy today. Sorry, forgive me for not standing up. Why do you look so sad?
Just I come from a friend's house.
Which friend?
My girlfriend.
Oh, your girlfriend?
Yes, and she had told me say her brother missing. Well, that's a Javi. You know Javi?
That's your friend Javi?
You don't remember Javi, man? The same you tell you come up here come see. Yeah, you did get jealous over the same person. Yes, the same dark you there. My sister come tell me say him not come home for 2 days now. 2 days now? Yes,
2 days?
Yes, 2 days.
Oh, okay. Maybe I visit the boy, go and visit some other man.
Well,
A bad boy, you know, because between me, like, you know, so Javi like you, though.
huh?
You mean say what? You're going like you don't know what going. Javi like you and Javi will do anything to get you. And that's what I did every day. That boy don't know if he'll pay a card pack. Me, because when I was there, I look on the card them. The card them, you know, set like a, you know, I don't game and I play. That's why I was so jealous. You know what I mean? Not say I'm jealous because, you know, I'm your friend and all these things. I have to respect your wishes with a friend. You understand? But he like you, he want you. He want to play with a card pack. I feel a card pack you want to play with. You think a card didn't come to play?
I know that me I talk about.
But what you worry about him for? him gone somewhere for I bet saying soon show.
No, that's not like Javi.
That's not like Javi. So what you mean by that? That's not like Javi.
Javi not stay them way there.
So no.
If him did not go somewhere, he would tell him sister.
See something on a fly with a face there. I mess up your beauty. Hey, relax yourself, man.
That's the point. That's worry me. And then she blame me.
Oh, she blame you.
Yes, she blame me. Cause she say I was my year she come.
So Javi have a sister?
Yes, Javi have a sister.
So where your sister live? Up on yard or something?
They live at the same house.
In the same house? I don't understand. So she call you now and tell you say Javi missing and I blame you. That make no sense.
Yes, because at my house, my was left to come.
So someone say you do something to Javi?
Me not laugh. It's not funny. It's a serious situation.
Yeah, true.
And why you laugh like that? Like it's funny.
No, it's just don't get me wrong. I'm saying that the way how she is trying to say that you are involved with something of his disappearance, it's crazy. That's what I'm saying. But it's serious. Javi soon come up, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
How you so sure? You know something about him?
You know nothing about Javi.
But you
Javi
talk like you know what happened to him.
What do you mean let me know nothing? I don't understand.
No, the way you talk, I say your son to me.
Babe, think about what you say.
I'm just
I don't know nothing about this youth. I don't know where he live. I don't know nothing at all. Yeah, I don't care about it. Only person I care about is you. You understand? You tell me now he's missing. He's neither here or there for me. But at the end of the day, I am concerned that he's missing. Because you are concerned. So that's the only reason why I am in the mix right now. When you really come to me for, you know, if you comfort me, if you comfort you. Hey, look at me, man. Look at me, man. Where?
Can't help it.
Don't make it look like semi-high problem.
I never said you are.
Yeah, but you say make it sound.
I never said you're.
But you know, I'm glad say, if I'm home. You understand? I'm glad say when you think about something like, you know, like that feels, me feel special right now. Me feel extra, super fragilistic special. You understand? Feel like we're getting somewhere in regards to our bond together. What do you want to do? I mean, I have to take your mind off of this.
I have no idea.
You want to stay in the house a little bit? Just come stay before. Look at it. We can do the things I love. And that?
Okay, sure.
Come on. Javi soon come. Alright, so don't worry yourself. Yeah?
Okay.
Let's go inside. We can stay.
No, I can't. Because you know my auntie stay and she overprotective and then she might think negative.
True.
Yes, we can't bother with her sometimes.
For your auntie, why? Well, you know, she run me to her house and, you know, like not at my house, but like, yeah, what is my house? And she went catch me at the time. What she done do me?
Might be. I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
But that might be a war with her in that place.
But why she not like me though?
I can't to her, you look like you could have been my daddy.
Oh,
Yeah, she say you look 30 something. Like you're in your 30. Like you're in your 30s. That's what she tell me.
Sure.
So that's why she disrespect you and run you out.
But even though she disrespect me, you know what? Me can't, you know, I not have her up. For your auntie, your family. You understand? So here I'm gonna do now. I can't disrespect the fact that she not like me, but that's fine. But I'm not disrespect her. I'm not bring it in her face like that. Yeah? So babe.
Yeah, that's why I love you, so you know.
You love me, man. You know that, and that's why I may do anything to make sure say you're safe and you're with me. You understand? Yeah. Start smiling. Jesus! Incredible. Where you are going now? You know I get no trouble. And especially because of me will take care of all your trouble. I mean, so don't worry about no trouble. Maybe covered. But I enjoy my time. I want to see you back later on. Yeah?
Okay.
You come later?
Yes, you will see me later on.
Alright.
But in the 4 o'clock hours.
Alright, for not call me. Yeah?
Alright, I will.
Alright, later, babe. Love you, yeah?
Love you too. Mommy! How are you?
Come here. Come here. Come right here, sir. Right there, so the grass there. Don't move. Stand up right there, so. If you move a muscle, me notice you from the other day. A matter of fact, from the other day, a few months ago, almost 1 year now, me take time and I watch you keenly. Me watching you.
What did
With
I
the
do?
2 big bulb here we God give me. You feel such we are 18. You must Lego like a bees. You bees? Eh? You push out honey? And where you hustle make every man want you. Little girl, you is my child. And not because you are 18. You feel say, every man say, hi, baby, you know me like you, you look sexy, you look pretty, you know. You can't give me a talk. That no mean say, you feel open up like a clothespin. You is not a clothespin. My daughter, you see, if you make every man have sex with you in the community, you know what you be? You know what you be? Answer me. You know what people say you be? Community bicycle. If you make every man in the community area, we're surrounded in this vicinity area, ride your half, then sit on one side and a so and a chat you say you a community bicycle. You would love that name there? You sit right here now, your name there all over the place. Your name there on light post stop. You keep dance? Boy, you see anywhere me go, I hear them call your name. Me act like I say me don't know you. Me disown you. Because me not own you, me not say nothing about you. Because me no want them know say me your mama. You is a shame and disgrace to the family. I only one can stay so. My sister Pitney they not stay so. My brother Pitney they not stay so. Eh? All of my cousins them Pitney different from you. I want to feel like sitting underneath so. I heat it in. What kind of heat if it they bother you? You tell me, let me give you money for your doctor, then give you something to cool it down. Are you going to the fridge and going to the bathroom and put piece of ice on it? Don't make underneath your clothes, whatever under there, control your mind. You a big girl, 18-year-old. Yeah, I don't know, you know. But some of you young girl reach 18. Even though you're not 18, you're still not mature, so you have to stay at parents' yard or auntie yard. No, me say you have to come stay with my sister. Because at one room, my sister have a bigger apartment. We can get your own room. Me still here, your name call up all about pan the place. All about pan the place, right round the place, up and down for your name the pan. Alright, looking at my face. When they talk to you, stop look down pan the ground. Because when the man them see a road and I call to you and you take time and go in a bush with them, you're not hold on your head. You hold up here in the position. You. But in your breed, do not call me name. I do not ready for any grandchildren. Don't come hold me up before time, little girl. Because me in a little piece of one room down there, and my sister have a big apartment. Me send you up here to come and stay with her, you get your own room. And you have your little privacy as a young girl grown up. You understand? And you can, you know, look where they do. My sister talk to me, and they talk to me seriously about you. Tell me for your side of the story. How you go? How you go? Talk, man. Speak up.
Mommy, I don't know the reason why Auntie called down here because I happy she called down here so. Auntie, I go and have a bag of man. I go to over in a bush, back a black. And mommy, I not stay, so you're supposed to know how I stay. I have a little boyfriend, yes. I'm introduce him to my auntie and she disrespect him and run him out of the place. I don't know if that's why, because him look older than me, make she call you and say, oh, me have a bag of man, and me have man a go run in a bush, and me have man a go this so. No, I not saw it go. Auntie a liar, she's lying.
You see, if you are whore, it's not me you take off her. I must from your past side of family them, but it's not my generation. Where you come from with them, a little dirty attitude and them little stinking style, yeah? Me you say y'all a walk on a cell front.
What?
And what? So me waste all of my little money by you at school. And the subject them where you have, you better have them not all, you know. I waste my time. So the subject them where you have, you better somebody else when in need that me take my money and give. You grow up now as 18. Don't talk when me talk little girl. Cause anytime you start take man on no feel so you talk to parents anyhow, not this woman. Not this mother. A matter of fact, if I go back on the road and hear nobody they call up your name, or you're the cell front, east, west, north and south, me disown you same time, me they abandon you. Me's not your mama.
But mommy, me not sell no front.
Or that disown you and me abandon you same time.
Mommy, how you have to abandon me when me not sell no front? Why you?
Hold on there. Some selling the guan then. If you're not selling your front, you're selling your back or your side, but some selling the guan. Your name stinking at the street. I'm ashamed if you pass me, I feel hold on my head and the guan like I say me is not your mother. Little girl, you need to change your ways, you know. You need to change your ways. See it there? Me they come out now. Me come to see your auntie. A road they come off of. Where they come from? Where you coming from?
Mommy, this... I can't talk to you in a
Watch it. It look like in man yard where they come from stress you out. You know what? Me they can't go about my business.
Mommy, wait.
Power. Me wait enough for you to grow up from so to so. I know you was a idiot when you little, now you turn fool, you're big. Go back, go back again, but me is not your mother in that that the world there. You understand me? Me I go about my business. What you tell me say? See if you can't talk. Mommy wait for what? Wait kill man, I'm not ready for dead yet. What me for wait for? Talk to me.
Half of what you say a while ago not true.
Eh. So I like the people that tell for you.
Half of what you say a while ago not true. Me might have attitude and my ways, but half of what you just say is not true.
It's not true. So if it's not true, it's lie. Well, the opposite for not true is lie. And Tony run back it. Opposite for the lie, them where they tell. You see the dirty lie, them where they tell, it is true and I don't believe her.
I am not lying. I don't have no reason for lie.
Don't touch me with your filthy hand. I don't know which man you're coming from. Look how you look stressed out.
Why you treat me so?
Why me I treat you so? Because you walk around like a son little puppy dog and use my daughter and me is ashamed of you. So if you don't want me to treat you so, now you start act like a nice little decent growing up, decent citizen girl in the community and stop me man. I tell this I want to say she easy to get and me went get it last night and you can go get it tonight. Me shame of you. Nasty. Go and go look into yourself. You better go kneel down and then 2 knee there and pray to God and ask God to tap your friend the way they do. Then you can call me mommy. See as friend today, see the ex here. Me not even have to dry with the pen. See the ex here. Don't call me no mommy. When you see me, candy for you. Me shame of you. Oh, Tada.
Yeah, my general. So you see how next work for me? No problem, man. Yeah, man. As usual, man, just send the location. Well, not even send the location. Just send the address of the person, where the person live and picture. And the affiliate, you know what I mean? And you don't know, so we get the job done as usual. Yeah. It's been a while, nothing going on too, you know what I mean? Alright, me get back to you, because one caller coming. Yeah? Cool. Hey, honey.
Hello? Which part you there?
What to you?
Call on me, I call you. Yes, but I know that's the thing. You ever reach home, see if there's spot. I broke up with my mother.
Your mother?
Yes. And my auntie tell her one bag of lie for me. something women not even know about. Something women not even do.
Oh boy.
But that just stress me out. I can't take this. I literally feel like I'm all alone because my mother literally just disowned me a while ago.
Babe, you're not the only one in this world. You have me. Don't forget that. When you saying that, man, when you thinking like that, you have me as a partner for life. I'll do anything to make sure you're alright. You understand what I say? I'm not gonna mess up. I want it to be mine, and it's not just know it's for a lifetime.
My mother literally called me a bag of names, so she don't normally do.
Why your mother would not? Gosh, man. Mothers are supposed to do that to them kid, them child.
Because she take hearsay from people. I mean, what because say my auntie. I'm auntie, I call her and I tell her one bag of lie.
So your mother disown you?
I literally can't take certain things. I'm easy for stress. If you know me, you know I'm easy for stress. I always stress. And when I stress, I tempted to do things when I know I go regret.
Tell me something. More to know more about you and everything. You know what I mean? But I don't know if you can send me a picture of your mother.
So why you want to know my mother?
Yeah, because I want to be a part of your life. I know your auntie already, she don't like me fine. You know, I just want to see what your mother look like. If she as pretty as you.
Alright then, I'm going to just send you a pic.
I'll call up. Alright, babe. I'll call you soon. Alright? Tell them if you call, man. Yo! Put off the work there for me. I have a mission for crash, yeah? I talk to my girl. I soon call her. Yeah, babe, sorry about that.
But just send it. You get it?
You send it? Alright. Alright, babe.
I literally just tell her so she disowned me. She's like dead to me. Well, if I understand me, just say.
So you say she's like dead to you? Or she dead to you? Alright.
I did some sleep right now because the stress out my head that hurt me. I feel like my brain explode. Yeah, because I have a lot on my brain. So, I'm going to say I can't sleep it off. Later, I come check you. Alright.
Know yourself, man. Alright, babe, get some rest. Yeah? Love you to death. Alright, babe. Oh, excuse me, man. You look so familiar. You from around here?
No.
No.
Why are you asking me that question?
No, you look like somebody I know, but I'm not sure if you're the person, but you look familiar. Like, you have a daughter?
Yes.
She named Mitzi? I know say you, man. It's a pleasure to meet you, man. Mitzi, I'm a friend, you know what I mean? I'm a friend for a long time.
Okay. So who you?
He's my friend.
Your friend?
Oh, me? My name is Public.
Public.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
So you're staying in the area now, or are you leaving?
Why you ask me so much question? Yes.
No,
Me tell you say me come from around here, so why you question me so much?
I'm just in, you know, like I just wanted to know because if you know Mitzi and all these things, you know, that means that you're a friend of mine if you're a friend of hers, you know, and then you're a mother, so, you know what I mean?
It's not my friend. Turn it round and get it right.
Yes.
She's my daughter.
Exactly. Nice to
Okay.
meet you, ma'am. It's a pleasure to meet you. I mean, my name is Public, as I said before, and you know,
Look here.
it's a privilege.
I do not know you from nowhere.
All right.
And I never ever done this in my life before. Telling stranger where me live, who me is, me have children or whatever. I want to know why you're asking me so many questions.
All right. Just forget. Nice to meet you, and have a wonderful day. All right, ma'am. Bless you. Bless you.
Think I don't have so I care. Shit a bite me. Aye. Oh God. You know lang mo wash it. You know lang mo wash it. If nobody has to me, but me not notice you. Ah, Jesus. One kerchief in my bag. Hold on there. Hold on. Let me use this. God, me and one wash. It over. Oi.
You're a nasty woman. Where you that bush? Eh? The place smell like I really you go shit. Eh? A woman like you was so feisty and I deal with the daughter so. Eh? You deal with the daughter like say you disown her. Eh?
How me a disown my daughter? How what happen?
What mean say what happened?
I start me. Why you trail me? What you want? The money you want? What you want?
What friggin' situation? Eh? You're a wicked. You make a daughter feel like she have no use like girl. Yes! As a mother, you're not supposed to make a daughter feel that way.
And this is the second time I see your friend here. I not even know you.
Yes,
What you know about me and my daughter?
last time. Eh?
Wait. What you mean when you say that? You want the money?
Money
If
for
you
what?
take,
Hey.
you can.
You look at me hungry?
You can take it
Eh?
purse and you can take my phone.
Woman,
Anything else you want, me can send it to your phone.
you remember me say today? I'm asking you a question. You're a hog. Just the way you deal with life.
No, mix them with her.
Supposed to there.
Fire burn pan the hug them.
As a matter of fact, give me them. Give me them, man. Because I know where you go. Record me. Because them phone I look hype. On the record, but I can tell you one thing. See? You are a worthless mother. And your daughter's words was that you are dead to her. You understand me I say? Yeah.
Don't kill me, sir.
Don't kill you?
Don't
Why
kill
am I
me.
not kill you?
I love my daughter, I don't know what you talk about.
You love your daughter?
Yes. No, kill me. No.
Evelyn, I can't get two of them mind thing them. How the crosses you go?
Even what you a do here, so? And where you get money, man? A thief, you know?
Me know you don't.
And you never have money yet, you know?
Don't run castle, don't pass the place with me.
Anyway,
Yeah,
I never come here so for you. Come, give me one of my regular, yeah? Cause God see I know. Anyways, so give your money here, miss. Oh yeah, you me a talk to.
Are we okay with this, you know?
Anyways, me know we have a differences, but you hear from Javi yet? Oh, are you me a talk to?
Yeah, have you heard to come ask me for my brother? You know,
We never come here so for the argument, you know. And one simple question I ask, and I need a one simple answer. Is either yes or no.
you realize me run you out of my yard the other day? And you come here so come see me hard and I drink my local drink, so you have to see me. You couldn't see I'm blind.
Up to you. Me never come here so for argument, you know.
Do not ask me nothing about my brother. You for know about my brother because he was last seen done by your house.
So what you try to say? Me kidnap my own friend? Or me hire? Where people them name? I mean hire people to kidnap him? What me look like to you?
Oh, this look now. Javi come down your yard and left to come back up a yard. I know, reach up there. How that look? But till I tell me I go station, you know. I reach, me not reaching, I'm tired, but me not reach down there, you know. Cause me not ask Christ if me go down there, and you them are gonna come to as suspect.
Then I make them come to me, you know, cause I can't go up there too.
Cause if me tell you about my brother down there play a car park, you feel like a car park you want to play, a car park you want to play. Make you want, you soon wall you.
Hold me. Yeah, me. But they right up the road there, so man, up at Juicy, the lady will sell the blend up something them. Yeah man, it's not far from this, so. Alright. But I will see sometime.
You good?
Oh, you're rich?
You reach now. Thing alright?
Yeah, man.
Get the juice and come on. Me feel like more stairs.
Boy, you're up on a rush.
Come on, I want to talk to you. Let's come. Yeah? Come.
Ready?
Okay.
That's what me did say. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, sure.
Auntie, I lied.
You see, if you are whore, it's not me you take off. I must find your past side of family them, but it's not my gingeration. Where you come from with them a little dirty attitude and them little stinking style? Yeah? Me you say y'all walk on a cell front.
What?
And what? So me waste all of my little money by you at school. And the subject them where you have, you better you have them not all enough. I waste my time. So the subject them where you have, you better have somebody else when in need that me take my money and you broke up now at 18. Don't talk when me talk little girl. Cause anytime when I start take man on no feel so when I talk to parents, anyhow, not this woman, not this mother. A matter of fact, if I go back on the road and hear nobody they call up your name, or you're the cell front, east, west, north and south, me disown you same time, me they abandon you. Me's not your mama.
But mommy, me not sell no front.
Action.
Oh.
You're a nasty woman.
That they did it? Oh, yeah, you take off the clothes, what they saw?
Come on, this is me now.
Oh, fine.
Watch this.
You know, if you go behind the camera, man, I got enough to do. Anytime you see people I shoot, always remember, go behind the camera, man.
So you answer now? Action.
Ready?
What you say?
What you want from me? Actually me?
Listen to me. You treat a daughter like she's a slave. Eh? You have no love for your daughter.
Oh, God.
As the people like you, enough to survive in this world, man.
Me love my
As a
daughter.
mother.
Where you get that
Why
from?
you love your daughter? Eh? You
Me
sure
not
I
have to
love
explain to you, but me love my daughter. Me love my daughter.
daughter record? Action.
You don't know if it's a record.
Go now.
Go look.
I'm not sure. I'm not think how I go. You press record? Yeah, me press record. Thank
But
you.
me tell you no say that.
Sometimes you don't see good.
Sometimes I'm for sure, yeah? For sure, because you see them now we come back again.
Yeah.
Ready?
Done. Come here, go foreign tomorrow.
Ready? Action.
How what happened?
Let me say what happened.
I start me. Why you trail me? What you want? The money you want? What you want?
What friggin' situation, eh? You was a wicked. You make a daughter feel like she have no use in this world. Yes! As a mother, you're not supposed to make a daughter feel that way.
And the second time you see your friend there, I not even know you.
Yeah,
What you know
second
about
and
me
maybe
and
the
my daughter?
last time. Eh? Wait.
What do you mean when you say that? You want the money?
Money for door. Hey,
You can't.
you look at me hungry?
You can't take it
Eh?
first, and you can't take my phone.
Woman,
Anything else you want, me can send it to your phone.
you remember me say it today? I'm asking you a question. You're a hog. Just the way you deal with life.
No.
People like you're not supposed to dare.
Fire burn pan the hog then.
Fire burn for hog?
Hey, and you know, so make me go forget it. You know, you like him say, you can't take bag and you put, you can't take your shit too.
No.
Load that.
You can't take it back on the phone. Fire burn for hog. Go on, say what you say.
So you ready?
Yeah, say that.
Hold on.
Say back the tape. Wait, if you take your phone for me and the bag, you know.
Take it for that. What
Yeah,
happened? Yes, I say, what happened? Give me them.
You know, get to call nobody. Phone look like you can, you know.
Action. Yeah, come give me back like say, see me look like some petty thief. See me like a petty thief. Motherfucker, give me them.
Hold on.
Oh, you nice? You
Get
nice?
yourself in there.
No, I'm not sure, but then, you know,
But you don't know, go look if you're there.
No, you're not nice. I can't need a
look at me nice,
focus
look at me
pan.
nice.
I can't need a focus pan.
That not on camera.
Look.
That not on camera.
No, over this on the camera. I can't alone a foot.
That
Look,
one
look,
way
look.
feeling with me and you. Because you know feeling it.
No, she don't understand, you know. She don't understand.
You see the camera in there?
The camera, see camera now.
No, not at all.
You have to see. You can't deny it and you put this in front of the
You have to
camera.
deny it.
You have to see it.
You have
What
feeling.
if that now record? Alright, ready again. Ready them up.
Alright, action.
As a matter of fact, give me them. Give me them, man. come on, go. Record me. But them phone I look hype. I want to record me, but I can tell you one thing. See? You are a worthless mother. And your daughter's words was that you are dead to her. You answer me, I say? Yeah. Don't kill you? Why am I not killing you?
You love my daughter, I don't know what you're talking about.
You love your daughter?
Yes.
You should know that when you talk to her today.
Hold on.
Again.
Already.
In the.
No, I said before that.
You sure? Yes, he's not catching another party?
No.
Alright. Kindly decide on me.
And even push come to shove and it did that. We can use that the one there. And then cut back to that. You understand? You ready with it?
What you do? Left on her.
Left and right.
You just step across and just swing across the piece. As soon as this swing, you're going to go close in here.
When you do it, me just have
So
a
she not
go.
go drop.
No, she just have to go slow. Just have to go slow.
Me can't do it.
Ready? You know the business brother.
No, man.
What you want it? What you say you want?
You take one careful at the back of it.
You know. That's me what you say. Ready?
Yeah, chimble like when you want wish cash that you feed.
Ready?
Yeah, action.
No, kill me, no.
Ah. And you this one with slow motion.
I come see.
What do you man?
Mickey dog, so. No, sir. I want to cast Mickey dog, so. Look at Jesus.
You're nice one.
See, I catch me come back in. You catch me now? From the Anglia? Oh, yeah, I catch me from the Anglia?
No one when the back of swing, one can go back.
Okay, here can. So what's your time?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Where this menu?
Never really know just what you want.
You go slow mo.
With you, I don't ever feel calm.
Just touch your
I
eye.
can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
What
You
the
don't
candy?
ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
You feel nice, man.
Ain't it's twisted, you can get you with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back from all
Look at that.
even when I
Come like candy out
dolls
the
full of
perfect.
pins.
Where?
Here's my house.
Don't do it. Where?
I got this.
Ever vampire, I joke. I joke.
But you keep me on red. Oh,
Can the album have to
it's like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of
No, then that. Then look at you.
Let's get you.
Not that.
I didn't like you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
Yeah, man.
look what you get.
Me say
May I
it
go that
already.
few?
So if I
You do already?
So, hold on.
everything
I don't care make. Hold on.
you said, I don't think
Me
you
go have.
understand
Just catch her again.
No, man. No, man. Me put in the blood for now. What do you want?
You have blood to put on?
If you not, them not get sound effects, them me have blood and everything.
this amusing.
Never teach me how to apply it.
Alright, so when you drop,
Is it me am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I
Well,
offer
make sure you drop
all
slow
of the
motion.
solutions.
No, man. No, what you drop slow motion.
Love you, it's stupid.
All you have to
So
do.
when me do so and then when the camera come on, we don't have around.
No, man. All you have to do is sit down and just put up your foot. And just
I
stop.
wish when I first
You
saw
sit down
you,
on the ground and the back is the kick up. When you touch the
Me
ground.
not remember.
No, man. You sit down on the ground.
You sit down?
Yes, man. You sit down. So
then-
basically, your foot just up in the air, so. And then you just go up on your back. And so when your head bounce, as soon as
Don't tell me no more. You're
it bounce
confused. Me
again.
know me go drop.
so catch me now and look for her.
She not dropping. You just have to sit down on the ground here because in 2 foot. That's a,
you don't
So, no, so I guess I catch me
you don't
over her and look for her, so like I go down. So me can cut from me to she at the ground. You understand?
yeah, man, but you're not going to move around this up.
No, exactly. So me I go swing.
Baby, you get sick of being the monster
Sit down, Ken.
So,
thinking something out of
When you make me sit down in that shit, you know, see how wicked one.
that way I put it back in.
my